To stay up to date with everything here at QCA, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to share our efforts and support our cause. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching.
A bit about light pollution. So unlike other types of pollutions like water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, we don't really hear about light pollution as much, which is something really sad to me because it's probably one of the easiest ones to correct. So next slide. So what is light pollution? Light pollution is excessive, misdirected, or obtrusive light, artificial, usually outdoor light. And the keyword there is artificial light. So things like our own light bulbs inside our houses or street lamps outside. And why is light pollution bad? So usually light pollution, the main factor that it's so bad about is that it washes out starlight. So when you look up in the night sky, you won't be able to see any of the stars nor any of the natural habitat. And it also disrupts ecosystems, interferes with astronomical research, and another big one is that it harms wildlife. So many nocturnal animals are killed and even greatly affected in their migration, reproduction cycles because of the light pollution in the air. And if you want to relate this back to humans, because you would say like, who cares about the sky? We would think that it can also, artificial light is shown to cause sleep disorders and even obesity. So it's not good. Yes. So in the United States and Europe, 99% of the public can't experience a natural light, which is way higher than you would expect, but we can easily change that. So how can you help? So the biggest one by far is turning off your lights. When you don't need to turn on your lights, you really shouldn't be doing it. So it's something really easy in comparison to when you think about like water pollution, we have to put so much effort into cleaning out our oceans. But with light pollution, all you have to do is flip that switch or make a little effort to keep your blinds closed at night. You can also, if you're concerned with safety and you want to keep your lights on, you can buy motion detector lights and properly shield outdoor lights. But really, this is something that you don't really have to spend money on, just a little bit of awareness. So here are a few images that show the difference between light pollution when you have your lights on and when you have your lights off. So this is completely unedited, and you can see how important it is to keep your lights inside the house if you can. So before and after, you see the beautiful skies. And this is a trend chart showing how the skies in cities compared to rural skies. And most of us are somewhere around the suburban or suburban urban skies. But we can, if we try and make an effort together as a community, bring our skies back to normal and help the habitat and even ourselves. So thank you so much for listening. And that was my PowerPoint.